This is Station 3, Cropping and Agronomy on our farm. The crops we grow on our farm are corn, alfalfa, with grass and cover crops, which consist of rye, barley, small grain forages. By taking soil samples from our fields and aligning which crops we planted, allow us to follow a crop rotation with what works best with our land to achieve good goals. In order to properly replenish our soil with nutrients, we apply dairy manure according to the dairy management plan. Dairy manure incorporated into the soil increases the water holding capacity by 20%, which along with nutrients and dairy manure is the other reason it helps keep the plants growing well and healthy. We also utilize cover crops, forages, which are crops planted in the fall after harvest that are still able to grow before winter arrives, to essentially cover the ground to prevent wind erosion and soil erosion. By using a cover crop, the soil has increased microbial action and warms up more quickly in the spring. So those reasons can allow for fieldwork to occur sooner to get crops in and started growing. New crops such as corn can be planted right into the existing cover crop field after harvesting the cover crop off.
Our farm utilizes precision planting tools and equipment. An example of this is our planter. We built most of it ourselves with incorporating technology to know how many seeds to plant per acre and how far apart based on the nutrients in our soil and the crop rotation that we have for the growing year. Not only has this been more efficient in our resources uses, it also helps the crop grow better as is best fit for the land it is planted into, and helps us fine-tune our crop input purchases to be sure we are being economical. Farmers live on and near the land that they farm. We understand the importance of protecting our natural resources and for those neighbors around us. It is a long-term commitment to the care of the environment and our community. Dairy farming is a wonderful example of a full circle of recycling. What the cows produce in manure is recycled into the soil to grow the crops in which only they can eat to make milk for human consumption. This regeneration is a sustainable approach to preserve our resources for the future of life.